Hi everyone. So this time is a little different. We are not in a campground. We are in a log cabin, a vintage log cabin. This cabin was built in 1940. Inside is beautiful. You will see things which I have not seen for years. And then you see the place. The lake is right on the back. There are many horses here, lots of huskies and rooster, and you can hear, I don't know, wolves in the night, and you see bald eagle, you see turkey vulture, you have everything. The best part is northern lights. You can see northern lights right from the cottage. 2 days. The day before yesterday, they danced all night. I think it was first that they were northern lights, and we just went to sleep because
Yeah, we were like
yeah.
full of northern lights.
Yeah,
So we went inside the cabin. You can see the northern light from inside.
from inside the cabin, you don't have to go anywhere.
Yeah, and it was like above our head. It was going like
Yesterday
this.
it was crazy. It was above head. It was like from there to this end.
Yeah.
So enjoy the video. You'll see a lot of things here, and you'll see northern lights right at the end. Bye.
Bye bye.
you're gonna have help.
That would be nice. It's giving company.
Wow, this is beautiful. See?
And they give us this nice cute bottle of maple syrup which comes with the cottage, and this is a place where they do the maple farming. And we came here to see this vintage truck. I think this truck must have belonged to Mr. Mackenzie. You see lots of pictures of this truck inside the log cabin.